Welcome to our video presentation of Jash Data Sciences cutting-edge Industry 4.0 Solution Suite J-Sphere. In today's fast-paced industrial landscape, it has become essential for businesses to have accurate tracking of man, machine, and material. Our traceability solution offers precisely that and much more. Let's dive in and explore its capabilities. Our traceability solution leverages advanced technologies to provide real-time tracking and monitoring of every aspect of your industrial operations. By seamlessly integrating with your existing systems, it brings you unprecedented visibility and control over your production processes. Imagine having a comprehensive view of your workforce, machinery, and materials at your fingertips. With our solution, you can track individual operators, monitor their activities, and ensure compliance with safety protocols. It helps you optimize resource allocation, identify training needs, and enhance overall productivity. Machine tracking is a critical aspect of our traceability solution. By connecting to your machinery and equipment, we enable real-time data capture on machine performance, utilization, downtime, and maintenance. This information empowers you to make data-driven decisions, schedule preventive maintenance, and minimize downtime.
When it comes to material tracking, our solution excels. By utilizing advanced identification technologies like RFID or barcodes, it allows you to monitor the movement of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods throughout your supply chain. Real-time updates on inventory levels, location, and quality ensure efficient inventory management and accurate order fulfillment.
But it doesn't end there. Our traceability solution goes beyond tracking and offers powerful data analytics capabilities. By aggregating and analyzing the collected data, it generates valuable insights and performance metrics. You can identify bottlenecks, optimize processes, and make informed decisions to drive continuous improvement and boost overall efficiency. With our user-friendly interface and intuitive workbench software, operators can easily access and interpret the data in real time. Customizable alerts and notifications keep you informed about any anomalies or deviations from set parameters, enabling proactive interventions and ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. With our Control Center software, managers and supervisors can track their production in real time and can also get various reports periodically. Control Center can interface with most of the ERP softwares through APIs and can exchange orders and production-related data. In today's dynamic industrial environment, having a robust traceability solution that enables man, machine, and material tracking is essential for success. Embrace the power of Industry 4.0 with our cutting-edge solution and gain the competitive edge you need. Contact Jash Data Sciences today to learn more and schedule a personalized demonstration of our Industry 4.0 solutions. Together, let's revolutionize your operations and unlock the true potential of your business.